Now that's the kind of speed we're aiming for in the end, but I'm just going to talk through it now with you to start with. The first two bars are fairly self-explanatory. We've got te-te, 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 ta, ta. Let's try that together. Nice and slow. And 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to move on to the red box there, where we go te-te, ta. Ticka-taka-ta. Now that ticka-taka is the bit that we're going to focus on now. C, D, C, B. Let's try that. 3, 4. And again, 3, 4. So we're just playing this red box here. I'll make that a little bit smaller so you know exactly which bit it is. Just ticka-taka, 3, 4. Now that C to D changeover is going to be the most tricky. So let's just go C, D, C, D, C, D, C, D, 3, 4. And again in 3, 4. Once more in 3, 4. Great, now let's try going. Which is just te-te-ta, ticka-taka-ta in 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 3, 4. Once more, 3, 4. And again, 2, 3, 4. Great, let's do the whole of that first line now. So we go te-te, 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 ta-ta, te-te, ta, ticka-taka-ta in 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to move on to the orange box. This is when we're starting to move up the saxophone a little bit. So we're starting to use the octave key a little bit more. Remember, octave key is 4th line and above. So here, the D, the E, and the A all use the octave key, but it's just te-te, te-te. 3, 4. Let's just practice that A with the octave key after 4, 3, 4. And again, 3, 4. Now let's go. After 4 in 3, 4. And again. Once more. So there we're going. Te-te, te-te, ta, ta in 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 3, 4. Once more, 3, 4. Great, then we're going to move on to the yellow box. Now the rhythm karate here is one that we spoke about briefly in the lesson. It's te-taka, because we've got the first half of a set of quavers here. Then we've got the second half of a set of semi-quavers here. So we've got te-taka. So we're going te-taka, te-te. Let's try that, just that yellow box. 3, 4. Now all of this is with the octave key because it's above that 4th line. Let's try again. 3, 4. And again. 3, 4. Once more. 3, 4. And again. 3, 4. Great, now if we look at the green box, it's exactly the same rhythm. Te, taka, te, te, except we're starting on an E. We've still got that kind of Stepwise movement going downwards in those notes. Okay, remember that D to C changeover again. So we're going, and again, 3, 4. Once more, 3, 4. And again, 3, 4. Okay, now let's put both those bits together. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Once more, 3, 4. And again, 3. Great. Now the last bar is nice and easy, just D, C, B, C, A, te, 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 ta, ta. Let's try that. In 3, 4. Once more, 2, 3, 4. Again, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now if we try the whole thing all the way through, just to remind you how it goes, we've got let's try that all together in 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time in 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so rewind the video, use the bits you need, and I look forward to seeing your performances next week.